This is Donicia Barnes of Health and Hair and Wellness Hair Loss Center, and I am doing some cornrows right now in order to prepare this client for a crochet braid install with my weave buddy. And something that we was talking about is the way the braids feel, like when you do the braid down, and the fact that the braids do not need to be super tight. Your thoughts don't have to be braided. The next generation of hair cells that has not come into existence in your follicle does not need to be braided as well. The braids are not permanent, and pulling the hair extremely tight does not ensure that, I mean, hell, I don't know what they're doing when they do that. It's like they expecting the hair not to grow or something, or it will forever be close to the foundation, because the hair's gonna grow, and it's gonna grow without it being tight. So I don't know, it's craziness. And then when the hair is too tight, what actually happens is you make the braid weaker. Let me move this out of the way. You make the braid weaker because if the hair that's going into the braid loosens from the follicle, you ain't got no foundation no more. It's gone. So, and then the next time that it's time to do your client's hair, you got even less to work with, making the hair vulnerable, making the style vulnerable. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. What she looked like ain't none of y'all doggone business, but I wanted to ask her in front of you in real time, how do these braids feel?
Comfortable.
How does it feel back here?
It feels comfortable.
Okay. So the last time I did your crochets, I braided you down as such. What did you notice?
There wasn't a lot of pain in the braiding, and they stayed just as good.
Mm-hmm. And y'all, she got that baby soft hair. I mean, it is like cotton, like brand new baby soft hair. And I get her hair to stay in the braids using technique, not tension. So that's my little message for the day. I'll talk to y'all real soon. Thank y'all for watching and listening.